So, welcome back to another video. And we are going to hiking again at Akron. And we are going to hike and video again. So, again. Look at her. She's such a baby. And we are going to video when we're hiking. And look at her. I'm going to show you something funny. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, so Isaiah is playing Fortnite on the TV. We got it today. And say hi. Hi. Oh, Grandma. Have to be careful. Grandma. Be careful. And I smash Mom. Yes. Are you okay? Doggo.
See you later.
See you next Clappy. So we are going to video back when we are getting ready. So bye bye. What? Say bye, people.
Bye.
Hello guys, so we just got to the trails and we are getting out of the car. Just got here and we had a little bit of a hard time finding where the heck this place was because the directions took us the wrong way, and so we were just going around trying to find where to go, and we found it. So yeah, we're gonna go to the trail.
I haven't been here in 20 years since I was a young adult. I don't think, and I don't. I'm like,
Switch.
how big it was. Like,
Right?
yeah. Blocked off. No one's allowed to go. If we ran down there, that would be the best.
We're running. I'm scared to go down there.
It's not a trail, it's a sidewalk.
So we are walking.
Nice river. A lot of good paths. He is a man, boy. Man, boy. Dogs.
Go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Hold it. Go. So what? Just go. Oh, hi. Good. That's good. Didn't you want ballet photos? Didn't you say? Yeah. Should I get a good one? Yeah, that's good too. Which one? That one. That one's really This one? Okay, now Annalise wants to. And then now you, Kaylee. Get up there.
Kayla's getting up there so video.
Oh my gosh.
Why is it zoomed in? Okay, we are walking. Hi, Mom. We are walking. We are. So we are walking on the trail, and it is fun. Okay. Beautiful falls. It's so high, wow. So fluffy. Oh. Cool. Whoa! Look at that thing! That's so cool! Look at these, like, look at it. I love how they made these out railings. Like, see? Cool. Press the home button.
Do you smell that? Doesn't it smell good?
Yes! Oh, that's so creepy down there.
Yeah, that'd be nice. No. Look at that.
We got the way.
I told you they didn't.
There's a scrunchie.
Oh no.
I'm gonna get over it. Or I can do a flip. That's fine.
Do a flip.
No, I'm scared.
Do a flip.
I'm not holding on to it. I'm done. Right the fuck you on video fishing.
Yes. She's so silly.
Get out of here, Trey. Get out of here. Hello, pig. Got home and everything, but thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, Kaylee Herky, and if you know, like the Bennett family too, Mia's vlog, and Kaylee Herky, this video. Hey, she's sassy. We just yeah, Aiden is home. Okay, stop. Okay, and we are gonna go to bed soon, and we're ending the video. And peace out. What?